Here's a 2018 Cadillac CTS sedan. There's good, and then there's extraordinary. This CTS is a driving experience like no other. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, Ultra View express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, sports suspension, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Call us today at 1-866-460-9587.